In this video, I will design an outro from scratch for my channel videos by using Figma. What's up guys, what's going on? My name is Hiroshi from webstylepress.com. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, I can boost up your design and software engineering skills by sharing tools and my coding experience. So if you want to learn and grow in this area, join us by hitting subscribe button and bell icon. Okay. I have been using an outro for my channel videos that I created previously by using Adobe After Effects. I felt that video was unnecessarily long and boring. Let me play that outro video for you on screen. So this was the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, press bell icon. See you in the next video. And that's the video. I wanted a simple outro for my videos, so it's time I get a new outro that serves the purpose better than previous outro and not be boring and too long. It's an image outro, by the way, not a video outro. So here it is. So I want to create a simple image of 1920 pixels wide and 1080 pixels in height. That will be 1080p. I want a subscribe button, a thumb icon, a bell icon, perhaps Webstyle Press logo, a call to action text, social icons, and website address. So let's start. Oh, and if you find icons on screen small to view, just watch this video in full screen mode. Alright, so I have got these colors that I am thinking to use in that outro image. This one is dark blue, light blue, and kind of pink color and white color. So first of all, I will take a frame. So this is my frame, and this frame should be 1920 by 1080 because this image will be used in the videos, and I create video of around 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution. So I will have 20 pixels wide and 1080 pixels in height. This will be my canvas. Let me rearrange these colors. And in Figma, you can use Ctrl plus and Ctrl minus to zoom in, zoom out the canvas. So I have this frame, and that is 1920 and 1080 pixels. I am giving it a background dark blue, and let's write the text right away. First, I want the logo of my website, that is just the text, and that is Webstyle Press. So let's take this tool . So this is Webstyle Press text. It should be of this color. So, and the font family will be Montserrat. Maybe bold. I do not want these braces to be bold, so let's make them regular. This text should be in the center. I want a CTA kind of text that will be like this: smash like button and subscribe to channel. But the font family will be Roboto, and it will be regular, and font size may be 16 pixels, and color will be this one, light blue. So this is the 100% of my canvas, 100% size. Let's make it 20 pixels. Let's make it centered. Let's add to this text: press bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. So smash like button and subscribe to channel, press bell icon to receive updates, join us on social media. Okay, let's make sure that this is in the center, and I want another text that will be web style press. There is kind of handle for the social media profiles that I have. It should be centered, and it should be 20 pixels. Font size is all right, and let's change its opacity to 60%, and I want another text that will be the website address. Web style press.com. Okay, so let's make sure the width of the website address is not too long. So I think this is all right, and this website address will be at the bottom, I guess, and I will use this handle here, and I want some social icons here: Facebook icon and Twitter icon, YouTube icon, and Discord. We have got Discord channel as well. You can join the Discord channel. The links are in the description below. Okay, so this text is Roboto, and this text is Roboto and 20 pixels. This text is Roboto and 20 pixels. Handle and website address is in light blue color, and kind of their opacity is 60%, because I do not want these to gain too much attention from viewer. And this text is all right, and this is my logo, and this is only text that is in the Montserrat font. All right, perhaps this text should also take some more width, so let's increase letter spacing for this text. 1.8 perhaps, perhaps 2 pixels. No, 2.2, 2.3, 4 maybe. Yeah, 4 is all right. Okay, here will be the icons. Let's remove these guides for now, and all right, I need a button, subscribe button. Let's create a subscribe button. That will be pink button. Okay, so let's take a frame again, and here is our frame, and we want its color to be this one. Width and height 250 by 60. To 70 by, let's say 70, and I want its border radius. All right, I can't add the border radius for this frame, so I guess I'll have to use this one, rectangle. Okay, we use the rectangle, and what was the width again? 270 by 70 pixels, and now we can see this radius here, corner radius. Okay, so how about 4 pixels radius, maybe more. Okay, let's make it centered. This, I think this is in this is more in height. I guess I'll have to reduce its height a bit. All right, I want a subscribe text. Let's make this text white and 25 pixels. Let's give it a drop shadow, and we need a YouTube icon for this button. Okay, so we need icons now. Cool. So plugins, and I am searching for some icon plugins, that is Iconify. All right, I want some thumb up icon. Let's search thumb here. And which icon should I choose? I guess this is all right, or this one. Can't decide about the thumb icon. I think I will go with this icon for now. Let's see. This one is all right. So add icon. Okay, I need a bell icon. Let's search the bell icon, and I want a bell that is kind of shape of a ringing bell. This looks good enough. So let's add this icon to our canvas. All right, and next I want icon for kind of click icon. Click. Yeah, this looks good. All right, and Facebook icon, social media icons. Let's search social media icons. This one is all right. Facebook icon and Twitter. Let's search Twitter icon, and this one is all right, I guess. This one is all right. Okay, so this is Twitter icon. Next I want YouTube icon. Okay, so YouTube, for YouTube, this one is fine, I guess. Oh, this one. This one is fine. Or maybe this one. Let's bring both of these icons and we will decide later. So after YouTube, I need Discord icon. This one is all right. Okay, so we have got our icons. Let's bring these icons here, and thumb icon, I need the thumb icon here, and the bell icon, I want the bell icon here, and let's increase height and width for these icons. Icons should be white. No, I believe light blue. Light blue will be fine. Yeah, this one. This color is all right. Okay, so this one also should be 50 pixels by 50 pixels. The bell is looking like it's fat icon than this thumb icon. So let's increase thumb icon in width and height. Let's give it 50. 5 by 55. I think now it is a little bit better, I guess. Let's increase it some more. 58. Yeah, now it is fine, I guess. So this is thumb, and this is our bell icon. No, bell icon, you know, the bell icon is filled and the thumb icon is not filled. Okay, so should I use the thumb icon that is filled? Okay, let's bring the thumb icon that is filled. All right, right click and go to plugins, iconify, and let's search thumb icon again. Thumb icon. All right, we need filled thumb icon. Let's see, this one is all right. Add icon, close. Let's give it a color, light blue. Constraint properties. Okay, 50. All right, now it's looking like it's bigger than the bell icon, and now I think it's fine. Okay, I forgot I need another icon for this button. We need a play button icon, YouTube play button icon. Let's bring it. Right click, plugins, and Iconify. Where's Iconify? All right, and YouTube. All right, so this one is fine, I guess. Add icon, and we need it. It should be white, and should be 40, I guess. No, I think it should be a little bigger. So let's bring it here. Let's make this button a subscribe button. I also, yeah, I have a click icon that I want here. Okay. By the way, I am using Control minus and Control plus to zoom in, zoom out for this canvas. Okay, so this is this should be white. Okay, and it should be right here. It will be fine. Let's give the shadow, and from here, effects, shadow, drop shadow, just the regular drop shadow. And I guess this subscribe text should be bold. What do you think? Should be bold. Yeah. All right, this icon should have a drop shadow as well. Yeah, I guess now select this and select this. Let's rearrange these to be in the center a bit. All right, let's view it at 100%. This icon, the click icon, should be more in width height. Okay, so 50 pixels. No, it's too much. 40 pixels. 40 pixels will do, I believe. 40 pixels is more. No, let's make it 34 pixels. Yeah, I guess this is fine. Okay. Subscribe text, don't you think that this is too much? Let's make it regular, back to regular. Okay, and 24, maybe font size 24. Okay, by clicking at any layer or element and holding down the shift key and clicking at another element, it will select both of those elements. All right. Okay, so I am happy so far with the result that I am looking here. Perhaps I should give a drop shadow to this button as well. All right, so it pops out a little bit. And how about these icons? Drop shadow, drop shadow. All right, okay, I want to make all these, I want to bring these together, so let's group these elements. So I will use Control G command. Now this is a group, and this group has got these icons and text and everything. Now these are grouped together. I can use this eye icon to hide them and show them. I can lock them. All right, so now this is my group. Now this all is my group. Okay, now I can bring them in the, align them in center, align this whole group in the center. Let's make sure that this is in the center, or this is in the center, this is in the center, this text is in the center. and this handle, social media handle, is in the center. And let's bring down these social media icons. I want social media icons right above this social media handle. Okay, so these let's put these icons here. Maybe I don't want this, so let's delete it, and this is Discord icon. Okay, so the color. Okay, and this is group. Now you can again click at this group and then again click this thing to go inside this group and select different elements. All right. Okay, so I want this color for my social icons. Okay, now I want fill color, so this color, this color, this one, and let's apply the fill color here. And I think the size is all right. This Facebook size 32 by 32 is all right. Okay, so let's use this thing, constraint properties. Let's check this option and then increase the width and height for this icon. Let's say 30. It's still small. 35. Let's say 40. Nope. 38. All right, and if you hold Z key, it will show you the zoom icon, and then you can drag select the area you want to zoom. All right, and then hold and then release it, and the selected area, desired area, will be zoomed in front of you. Okay, so now we can carefully resize these icons to match the width and height. Okay, 34, I believe 34 is all right. And what about this icon? 28. Oh, I forgot this option, constraint properties. I forgot to select this. Check. All right, 28 is more, definitely. 26 is all right. And what about this Discord icon? Check this option, constraint properties, and then we want to decrease the size of this icon. Yeah, I believe this is all right. Okay, all right. And okay, you can just drag these icons or elements, but if you hold down the shift key will force it to move in this straight direction or straight line. Okay, click, hold down shift key, and then drag, reposition these icons. All right. Okay, I want to group these icons as well. Now these 4 icons, select these 4 icons, and then press Ctrl G to group them. Now this is group, and now I can center line them, align horizontal centers. Okay, so now this is in center, and this, and now okay, it should be okay. I want this text to be a little less in the width. Okay, so how about 0 pixels in letter spacing? Okay, this seems all right. So this is 100% of this design. All right, so this is my outro. This is a group. these are my social icons and social handle, and perhaps these two should move a little bit down, and this thing should be here. Okay, alright, so that is my outro. This is the image that I can use in my videos at the end of screen. It won't take too long to show up, and it's got everything. It's got logo, it's got subscribe button, it's got call to action, that is subscribe button, it's got bell icon and thumb up button, and it's got the text that says smash like button and subscribe to channel, press bell icon to receive updates, join us on social media, and it's got the social icons and social profile handle and the website address. It's got everything. Maybe reposition this icon a little bit to the side. All right, from here you can zoom in, zoom out the document, zoom in, zoom out, zoom to 50%, zoom to 100%, or you can just use the Control minus and Control plus key. All right, okay, by using these colors I am able to create this outro image that I can use at the end of my channel videos, and I am happy with it. Maybe I will realign few elements here and there, but I am overall happy with this outro. For extra creativity, but still, if I want to keep it simple, I can use some kind of background, maybe random kind of blob thing, and just I can use the gradients to make it a little bit more interesting. So let's do it. I am going to plugins, and here is a plugin that says blob generator or something. Let's find out where is that. Blob more, and here's the thing, make blob. Okay, so this is the blob maker. You can change its complexity. Let me use 5 for the complexity, and you can change its contrast. More contrast, the more shape will be complex or in contrast. So I guess I will go with the 5 for contrast as well, or maybe 6. Yes, okay. I just hit the random and it will just create the random blob. So I guess I'll have to add this blob to the screen. So here's the blob. I again press the random, and then I again press the add. Here's another blob, and I guess this is, I'm happy with this blob that is auto generated, and add this blob as well. So I've got 3 blobs. I'm going to close this make blob plugin, and here are my 3 blobs. I want to place these here, and for their color I want to use the same color but little bit lighter, in lighter tone. So that is fine, I guess. This one and this one. Okay, so now let me bring these colors at the side, and let's enlarge these blobs. All right, you can scale up, scale down these elements, but if you hold down the shift key, it will maintain its ratio. All right, so now release, and here is this shape. and I can rotate it a bit for my liking, and let's use this shape and rotate it a bit, and here's this shape. So let's use a long shape. Yeah, that see, this looks good. This is looking good now, just by using blobs. All right, I'm going here to this fill color of this blob, and I'm clicking here and selecting gradient, linear gradient. All right. Okay, so I can now click here and make it less transparent, and I can move around these handles. Yeah, this one. Okay, so let's go for this one also. Click here, solid and linear, and let's change these handles. Okay, now click here, linear, okay. And also, while you are doing anything, you can hold down spacebar and drag your screen, drag your canvas around. Okay, all right, so I'm kind of happy with these. You can play around with these too for the desired result, and until you get a good enough effect, kind of effect. Alright, so I'm gonna stop here because the video has become a little bit longer, and you can definitely play around with these and different settings to make this effect interesting. So, but the point is, yeah, so here is our outro, and this is the 100 if you see it like this, it may look like small, but you know, this is the 100% view for this outro image. Okay, so I'm happy with this thing. You can definitely play around with different settings and experiment a bit to make this more interesting, but this is how easily you can throw few elements and write some text and create a simple image that you can use as an outro in your YouTube videos. So by using Figma, I am able to design a simple outro for my videos. Figma is easy to use and doesn't occupy a lot of system resources in designing process, and I am happy with the result. So there you go. Do you use Figma? How and why are you using it? What tasks do you feel can you do easily and quickly by using Figma? What do you want us to cover in next Figma tutorials? Let us know. I hope you liked the video. If we missed anything or you have something to add or share, you can comment down below. Ask any question related to this topic. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon to receive channel updates. Join us on social media. Links are in this description below, and stay tuned for coming interesting updates. I'll see you in the next video.